Welcome back. This Halloween, if you're on the hunt for festive Halloween snacks, get it? Without the excess sugar, we've got a solution for you.
Registered dietitian Melissa Dano with UT Physicians is sharing 3 mom and dad approved recipes to avoid the sugar comas. Welcome to the show.
Hi, thanks so much for having me.
I love this because you still made it look great, but these are all the snacks that are good for us as well, like after school snacks, right?
Yes, these can be used for Halloween or other times as well.
And are these things that the kids can jump in and help out with?
Definitely, and that's one of the reasons why we want to choose easy recipes. A lot of times children are more likely to try things when they've had a hand in making it, even if it's just like peeling a banana. They're more likely to consume it, so we want to get them involved at the kitchen at their age
That's
level.
really smart. Very good strategy.
Well, let's get started. My kids love smoothies, and I like the fact that we did some greens in this.
Yeah. I mean, if you're scared to try a green smoothie, why not try one on Halloween, right? We're doing spooky stuff anyway. So let's get that started. So we're going to start. We can go ahead and put the spinach in.
And how much spinach have you put here?
About 2 cups. It's about 1 cup per plate.
Okay, and the whole thing goes in?
Throw that all in there. I'm
There you
pro
go.
spinach.
Okay.
So the great thing about spinach, it's high in calcium, and it also has iron, right? So now we want to go ahead and put in the pineapple.
So this is an entire can of pineapple
An entire can of pineapple.
just chunky pineapple there.
Yeah, exactly. Super easy. You could go ahead and put it in with the juice. There's only about a 1/3 cup juice in there anyway.
Okay.
The other good thing about the pineapples, they're very high in vitamin C. That helps to unlock the iron in the spinach so that our bodies can absorb it better.
Oh.
All right, are we using this banana?
We're using that banana.
Okay.
Throw it on and it's going to give it some body.
And do you need any added liquid or ice?
You can add ice if you want, but the liquid from the pineapple should be just fine from the can.
All right, here we go. And about how long do we need to blend this?
I would say about 30 seconds.
Oh, wow.
I need to shake it up just a little bit. Turn it off.
Sorry,
And maybe
I'm
need
new
to
here.
shake it. There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
Do a little pulse action right there. How's
Yep.
that?
Just like a pro.
Looks
Well done.
spooktacular to me.
Absolutely.
And then, how do you get this thing off? Useless. See, it's not that easy.
It's not.
Melissa, you could step in and help us if you want.
Do we know how to use it? I mean, take it off?
We could just, here, how about we just do the whole thing like this?
Here.
Okay. Show me
We are
that.
problem solvers
Show me
here.
that string.
There we go. Okay.
Boom. All right, there you got one.
Every blender's a little different. You know, that's okay. And look at
That
that.
one's super secure on the bottom.
Cheers. There we go. Cheers.
It's kid
All
proof.
right, yeah.
Look at that. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, it doesn't
It's
really
very
taste
banana.
of
It's very
spinach.
sweet. No, absolutely.
Very nice. Let's move on to the trail mix.
Okay, fantastic. So we have leftover candy a lot of times, right?
Yes.
And instead of sitting in your closet and eating it, what we can do is chop some up if you got some chocolate candies or some chocolate pieces.
Right.
And we can make a trail mix. So we have about 1/2 cup of the candy right there.
Okay.
You can go ahead and throw in, that's raisins. If neighbors give you raisins, don't get mad. Put them in a trail mix.
I
Trail
like
mix is
raisins.
good.
That's good. No.
Oh.
This is for this. So
Don't
Sorry,
touch the
Melissa.
chocolate, Courtney.
Let me toss the trail mix.
there you go.
We've already added chocolate in. Okay.
Right, so it's already got the chocolate, it's got some healthy fats from the nuts, and then we put some in these little cupcake
cups.
things,
That's
right?
cute.
Because you want to pre-portion
Thank
it
you.
so that we're not eating too much of it.
And this is a very clever use of some of that leftover Halloween candy, the odds and ends. Okay, very quickly, let's talk about this.
Okay.
Peanut butter, banana, and chocolate, winning combo.
Yeah, super easy. Again, this is a great way to get the kids involved. All I did was put a little bit of a little peanut butter on the bottom. Again, we have our healthy fat from the peanut butter, our potassium-filled bananas, and just did some eyes and mouth with a chocolate chip, something super easy the kids can do, and they're sure to eat it.
It's so cute. They're little boo-nanas.
Yeah, bing, bang, boom.
Bananas.
So easy.
Now, one of the things that you guys do at UT Physicians is you have these wellness classes, and we actually want to bring in another guest right now, Christina Nordum. Come on out. Welcome to the show.
Hi.
Here's
Thanks
some
for being
trail
here.
mix for you.
Thank you, thank you.
And let's talk about some of these classes that you guys do, because you really believe in underscoring the importance of healthy living.
Absolutely. So at UT Physicians, we try to offer classes that will help you be a happy, healthier you. So whatever the community needs, we're there for you. So some examples of that would be group exercise classes. So we do have some chair yoga at a Rosenberg clinic. We have Zumba classes at Victory in Beaumont, so we go all the way out to Beaumont.
These are some healthy eating demos, right?
Yes, yeah, so that's a highlight of our cooking demonstrations. So at 2 of our clinics, we have these really nice kitchens where we can show you how to prepare easy, cheap, right? Because that's important.
It is.
Healthy meals.
Because a lot of times people think, oh gosh, you know, I can't buy organic, or I'm not gonna be able to eat healthy because it is a little bit more expensive, but you give people basically the tips on how to do that economically.
Absolutely, yeah, and that's really important because that's what we hear all the time. It's so expensive to eat healthy, and so we're trying to change that mindset.
That's awesome. So group exercise, healthy eating, even smoking cessation classes.
Yeah, so quitting smoking, yeah, easier to say than cessation.
Cessation. That's a very large word. Remember that one on the spelling bee.
Quitting smoking, we even offer some diabetes or high blood pressure classes. So if you're trying to learn how to manage your blood pressure or diabetes, we do offer those classes. And then Melissa here is our expert coordinator on our HEAL program. So tell us a little bit more about HEAL.
Yeah, so HEAL is a great program that we have for pregnant women and women with young children. And what we do is we do fun food demos like this, we do some physical activity, we discuss health topics, and it's a great way for moms to kind of support each other in this big time of change.
Very nice. Melissa Dano, Christina Nordum, thanks so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
And for the complete recipes, check out utphysicians.com/healthyhalloween or visit them on Facebook for a full schedule of some of the upcoming free wellness classes.
And we will be right back with the check of today's forecast. Thanks, ladies.
Thanks, ladies.